Episode 5. Create thumbnails with AI for more clicks. Hook viewers instantly. Your thumbnail is the first impression. Make it count. Welcome to Episode 5 of YouTube Automation. Create smarter, not harder. Today, we're showing you how to create eye-catching thumbnails using AI tools like Canva AI, Photopea, and Microsoft Designer. These tools help you design pro-quality thumbnails in minutes, with no graphic design skills needed. You'll learn how to generate thumbnail concepts with AI, how to choose colors, fonts, and faces that drive clicks, tips for mobile-first layout and high-contrast design, how to test multiple thumbnail versions easily, whether you run a faceless channel or a personal brand. Great thumbnails are what gets you noticed, and AI makes it effortless. Let's make your content stand out from the crowd.